Got something new to show you that I got for my Dodge Ram here. Something that I've been wanting for a while. And, ooh, it's a bed extender. Yep, I got one of these off of Amazon. And it's Vevor. And it will do what I want it to do. It's pretty easy to put together and install. So these clip it down, they go into the tailgate latches to keep it held down. So that's pretty cool. And then the only thing I had to do was basically drill some holes for this mounting bracket on both sides, and they have a template, and it is pretty simple. And when I'm not using it, obviously these can go into the bed and keep stuff from going further into the bed. And I just wanted to show you what I got. It's a Dodge Ram 2004, and when you put it together, these tubes here in the middle, before you put these two hold down clamps on, you can size it to the width of the bed and where your brackets are, and it works pretty well. So, and when you want to release those clips, you just open your bed handle, and then when you want to put it away, just put it in bed. So I know everybody has seen one of these and probably has one of these, but I've wanted one for a while and finally got one.